Master GX12 has finally arrived, guys. I am pleased to announce it is here finally. And for those of you who don't know, this is the new game changer in radio technology, guys. It's an amazing radio. I started out in this hobby with the TX16S and Spectrum IX12. I've used lots of different radios, Sky radios, but lately I've been stuck on the Radio Master. The TX16S was my daily driver for a while, and it was so big and bulky, I had to get rid of it, tired of breaking switches on it. So I switched to the Radio Master Zorro, and it's been a great radio. I love it because it's so small and compact. And this feels just like the Zorro. It's got the same weight. It's pretty much the same size. It's just a little bit bulkier than the Zorro. It's more like the Boxer. These foldable antennas are really cool. They're awesome antennas. And it's got folding gimbals. The gimbals fold. Integrated folding dual band antennas. That's these guys. Compatible with both 2.4 gigahertz and sub G9 MHz frequencies. And the gimbals on here, these are GXO1 gimbals. They're fully CNC aluminum 3D digital hall sensor gimbals. Precision engineered aluminum gimbals with 3D hall sensors for superior control and durability, guys. These are badass gimbals. And they're the 100 Hz digital gimbals with EDGE-TX sync. So, also with the radio, get this cool box case that comes with it. Gives you a battery box that you can connect AA batteries to it. You get removable switch panels. These are different style switch panels that you can put on it. Give you two extra free switches. Comes with the kit. An Allen key and some bushing. USB cord for charging, data cable. And the stickers. Last but not least, the GX12 manual. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll be showing you guys how to use the radio. It's pretty simple. It's like all the other ones.